Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Grace and I am super excited that you are right here. All right, so on this channel, what we'll do is we'll talk about business, we'll talk about marketing, we'll talk about sales, we'll talk about how you can make money in your life and in your business. Now, if this is something that you would be interested in learning, then I want you to make sure to subscribe, all right, and also set the notification button so that you can always get notification whenever I put up a video. All right, so on today we will be discussing about what you can do to actually earn in dollars, right? So if you're in Nigeria, just like I am, or in any other part of the country, in Africa, outside the country, Africa, you would agree with me that the need for you to actually to start making money in dollars is increasing by the day. And like someone always said, if your expense is more than one, then you should actually have more than one income flow, right? So it's very important that you have more than one income flow so that you can live the life that you want to live, so that you can live the life of your dreams. That is what you want, right? And that's why I am here sharing this with you. All right, so today that's what I'll be doing, sharing with you how you can actually earn in dollars from any part of the world that you are in, especially if you're anywhere in Africa, right? Okay, so my number one tip today, the first thing I'll be sharing with you is exportation. All right. So what do I mean by exportation? Exportation is you taking something that your country has to offer to the country that would need it. Okay. So here, I'm in Nigeria. So what is it in Nigeria that you can actually take out of Nigeria, take abroad, like we call it, right? Yes. So what is it that you can export that people abroad would really want to have, right? So there are a lot of people that travel out of the country on a daily, monthly basis, right? And the truth about it is that they miss the country, they miss your home country, they miss the home country, and they would really appreciate it if they can get certain things that the home country has to offer. So if you can position yourself as an exporter of those products that your home country has to offer, let's say in Nigeria we have cocoa, right? We have ginger, we have garlic. So if you can produce cocoa flour, if you can produce ginger flour, if you can export garlic, right? There are a lot of persons that would die to have it. They would want to give you a lot of dollars to actually get that you have to offer, right? So what you need to do is find out where these people are and let them know that you have this product, right? Let them know that you have this product. And the beauty about this is that you must not really be the one that does the harvest. So it's just a thing of you knowing anybody in your country that can actually, that sells cocoa, or anybody in your country that sells ginger, anybody in your country that sells garlic. All you just have to do is liaise with them and get the customer over there, get your payment, get your own share of the money, and off you go. Right? So that is one way you can start earning in dollars, exportation. So what you want to do is ask yourself, what is it that people abroad would want? Okay? What is it that people abroad will want? Make a list of these things that your country have, and people overseas would actually want to pay dollars for them to have that. Now, if you put this together, look for people that already do these things, people that have this to give in bulk. Yes, you need it in bulk because, hey, you want so many people to reach out to you, and they will not be reaching out to you if you just have one piece of it, right? So you need to have it in bulk. So you need to have a lot of persons that can give you these things when they need be, right? So when the need arises, when you get customers that really need these things, you have people right there that would, help you give these things to them, right? So what you want to do then is start talking about it on social media, start talking about it wherever you go. Let people know that, you can actually get them this particular product, and voila, you have dollars in your account, right? Okay, so that's my number one take. Now, the second thing I want to talk about, okay, is you producing or publishing. The word is publishing. You publishing an ebook. Okay, so the next thing is you publishing an ebook. Okay, so what do I mean by publishing an ebook? There are a lot of information, there are a lot of people online that are looking for information. Listen, you did not jump on this video just by coincidence, right? You are here searching for what you can do. That is why you saw this video. So also there are a lot of people online searching for what can make them money. There are a lot of people searching for certain things, right? So if you can write a book on that thing that people are searching for, then definitely they would find your book and they will pay you money in return. Do you understand? So what you want to ask yourself is, what are the information that people are looking for solution for? What is it that people have pains? What pains do people have that you can write about that's a solution to them? What are the pains they have? What are the struggles they have? Okay? What are the things they are struggling with? All right, so these things you can write about it, publish on Amazon, and there you are making money for yourself, making money to live the life that you want to live. All right, so what you want to ask yourself is, go on Google, go and research what is it that people are searching about on a daily basis. Okay, write a book about it. Write a book, write an ebook. It could be an ebook, it could be a book, a physical copy. So on Amazon, you can actually publish an ebook and you can publish a physical book, right? So on Amazon helps you to, print out, to print it out from wherever in the world. So you're not, disturbing yourself about, how to get it across to whoever that wants to buy your book. So Amazon, we have other platforms, but I want you to go on Amazon because Amazon is everywhere. Everybody in the world comes on Amazon to buy things. Okay, people come on Amazon to buy things. People come on Amazon to research and to search for things, right? And if your book pops up as something that they would need and it is something that can solve a problem for them, then definitely they want to pay you dollars. All right, so go right now and start asking yourself what you can write a book on. Okay, so if you check in the link of this video, you would see a link on, I have a course that teaches you how to write, okay, how to write and launch your ebook in 5 days. How to write and launch your ebook in 5 days. It's the link is on this in the description of this video. So you want to check that out and take that course if you really want to learn how to write an ebook and publish on Amazon. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is you publishing low content books. Publishing low content books. Now, what do I mean by publishing low content books? Now, there are books, these are books that do not have any content in them. Now, the exercise book that you write on, right? The journals, the planners, these are low content books because some of the planners do not actually have books, do not actually have something written on it, right? So those books that have nothing written on it are called low content books. So do you actually know that you can publish such books on Amazon and get paid for it? There are a lot of people looking for planners, a lot of people looking for journals, a lot of students, okay? So you can actually, publish low content books for schools. You can publish low content book for students. All right, so if you're interested in this, okay, I'm going to do another video to actually show you how you can do that. So let me know in the comment section if this is something you would actually want, so that I can do a video on that. All right, so anything you want me to talk about, I want you to state in the comments so that I can see that, and I will do a video on that. Another thing I want to talk about is freelancing. Okay, so it's possible that you have certain knowledge. You are knowledgeable in a particular field. It could be designs, it could be craft, it could be writing, for instance. You know how to write very well. There are a lot of people looking for who to help them to write. Okay, there are a lot of people looking for who to help them to write. So you can position yourself as a freelancer and help people to actually write their books, write content on social media, write content on their website. There are a lot of people that are looking for people that can help them write about certain things, about their products. So you can write for products, you can write on websites, you can help people write, their companies, for their company. Right? So what you want to do is go on Fiverr and go on Upwork, right? Go on Fiverr and Upwork. These are the two platforms that I know, I use, I trust. Yeah. So go on these platforms and sign up with them. Put your information and position yourself there as as a freelancer. And when these people come online looking for graphic designers, video editor, video creators, app creation, whatever it is that you're knowledgeable about, when they come online searching for these people, you would be found, and definitely you get to pay in dollars. Okay, so I want you to do that right now. I would be actually teaching a class on how you can actually become a freelancer, right? If you're interested in this, I want you to comment in the comments, share in the comments that you're interested in learning how you can become a freelancer, and I will give you a link on how you can join that class. Another thing I want to talk about is you becoming an affiliate marketer. Okay, becoming an affiliate marketer. Now, what do I mean by becoming an affiliate marketer? What I mean is that an affiliate marketer is the person that helps other people to sell their product. All right. A person that helps other people to sell their product. So for instance, I have a course on how to write and launch, all right, in 5 days. Okay, so you can come to me and say, I want to be an affiliate marketer for you. So what it means is that when you sell that course, okay, you get a cut, you get a commission for that. All right, so there are a lot of platforms, ClickBanks, Expreneur for us in Nigeria. There are other ones that does it. Okay, so all you need to do is find someone that have a course, find someone that have a product, whatever product it is, and reach out to the person, tell the person you want to become an affiliate for them. All right, and they tell you how much commission you're going to make at the end of the day. All right, so that's that about affiliate marketing. That is another beautiful way for you to make money. All right, for you to make money. There are a lot of people, like I said, that want certain things and they do not know how to get it. So if you position yourself as somebody that can help them to get that thing that they want, then definitely they would want to reach out to you and give you money in return. All right, so if you are knowledgeable, you can sell your knowledge, you can sell your brain, you can sell your talent, you can sell your experiences. All right, so there are certain experiences that you have passed through in life, all right, that somebody else is passing through today. Now you can position yourself and sell that knowledge to them. How did you come out of that experience? How did you overcome that pain? How did you do a particular thing? So I know how to write. I have started teaching people how to write. If I know how to create designs, I will start teaching people how to create designs. Graphic designs, video editing. There are a lot of people that do not know how to create videos for their products. and they want to learn. So if you are knowledgeable in that field, you can start teaching people how to do same, right? So whatever knowledge that you have, whatever experience that you have, whatever expertise, whatever talent, gifts that you have, you can actually sell that. You can actually sell your connections. Do you know that? There are a lot of people that are looking for people that will buy certain things from them. And it is possible that you have so many contacts. Imagine that you have a contact of 10,000 people. Do you know that you can sell that contact to people that have products and they will pay you money in exchange? All right. So that's it, guys. If you have found value in this video, I want you to like the video and don't forget to share the video. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel because every week I will be dropping it like it is hot. All right. Until I see you again on another video, it is Grace right here, and bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Remember, whatever it is that you do, make sure that you are making money. It's important. Bye.